Hi there. Welcome to Repricer.com in 60 seconds. I'm going to give you a quick high-level overview of one of the world's fastest repricers. Starting here is our dashboard. On this page, we can quickly at a glance see all of our sales, any suggestions to win the buy box, our profitability, our repricing activity, and our buy box ownership, giving us a quick view to what's actually happening within your company. On the next page, I like to highlight the products. On this page, we can see all of our products, the stock availability, the repricing status, the buy box status, the current buy box price, our current min and max, and the rule that we are on. We can use the quick filters to segment products out depending on the view we'd like to see. Lastly is the actual rule. Inside of Repricer, we have over 50 different rules and scenarios you can put in place depending on your specific repricing strategy. Lastly, all new Repricer clients are eligible for our $99 per month introductory fee. Looking forward to speaking with you. Thank you.